Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim, your favorite yada gal. I am talking soft because I really don't know why, but it's morning time and I don't know, I'm kind of in a very not low mood, but you know, pretty chill. I'm waking up still and I don't know, I'm just setting the tone for my day. We're filming today and I just decided I'm gonna walk you guys through the entire thing, but just like in different videos. So this video is gonna be my skincare routine for today. I didn't say daily skincare routine or like morning routine just because truthfully, y'all, I need y'all to understand, this is my skincare drawer, okay? And this is just like one drawer. There is truthfully no routine. I don't do the same thing every single day. I could come on here 7 days for 7 full days and give you 7 different morning routines. So that being said, if you see me post another morning skincare like daily skincare, I'm just calling them daily skincare because I really can't say routine, watch it because it's something different and then I promise you, and I don't know, what works for me might not work for you. Sometimes I do my skincare differently depending on what I got going on. So that being said, let me set you up, get the mood started because I don't want this to be too much of a chatty video. And y'all, alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through the exact order how I'm gonna use everything, why, and just a few things that I love about these things. And then after that, I'm gonna be quiet because I feel like these videos are meant to be relaxing. I got the little piano music going in the background, so I'll just, you know, enjoy my morning, getting ready and, you know, getting my frame of mind and allow you to enjoy yours without talking your head up. So that being said, first thing I'm gonna go in with is this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. Love this, absolutely love. Everything that I mentioned, I do love. I might repeatedly say I love this stuff, but just, you get the gist. I do love everything. If it makes it in my skincare drawer, it's because I've tried it and I do enjoy it. So I put it in my skincare drawer. If I don't like it, I get rid of it. So yeah. Love this because it is so gentle. I can literally use this every single day. If you're not a person like me who loves to try new things and loves to hoard skincare and makeup and you just want a simple skincare routine, this line is one of those that I could definitely recommend that you can use as like a daily thing, especially if you're not like an avid makeup wearer, because if you are, I mean, you could definitely use this, but I like to go in with something a little heavier when I do wear makeup, so you might need a different cleanser for that. But yeah, on everyday days like this, I love to use this. I am gonna double cleanse with it. I always double cleanse, but today I'm not going in with like a deep cleaning cleanse first and then going in with this moisturizing one. I'm just going to use this one twice because with me putting makeup on top of my skin afterwards, I want to make sure my skin is hydrated enough to where when I start powdering and stuff, my skin is not patchy, it's not super dry, I'm not feeling irritated throughout the day or anything like that. And I also want to use good lightweight stuff that will just absorb into my skin, do what it needs to do, leave my skin looking glowy and healthy without leaving any residue or anything that's going to interfere with the makeup or my primers or anything like that later on, because that's what's going to cause like your makeup to separate. So yeah, this stuff is amazing. Then I'm going to exfoliate because like I said, I am doing a little bit of makeup today and I am due for a facial and I dermaplane my face. Right now she's not dermaplane, so I got peach fuzz and stuff, and I mean, this is not gonna help with peach fuzz, but it'll help with everything else, you know, so I don't got too much going on. It'll help to really smooth my skin out so the makeup will just lay so good, like chef's kiss. If you don't exfoliate, girl, we're not even gonna address it today, but you need to get on it. So exfoliate, love this one it's from Skin & Co. Roma. It's a face gommage. It's a polishing micro exfoliant truffle. First of all, it definitely feels like a truffle. It feels so luxe. It smells so good. It smells like expensive skincare. And if you know what I mean, I feel like you know what I mean. And if you don't, I don't know how to explain it other than that, honestly. But it smells amazing. It's not fragranced. I don't like anything with fragrances to go on my face. But this is amazing. And this is gentle enough where I feel like you can definitely use this twice a day. You could use this every single day. I love this. This whole setup I have right here could be a really good like everyday routine, except for one thing. I'm not gonna go into too much about this, but I'm just gonna name out like 2 things that they got going on here. So it has squalene in it, which is extracted from Italian olive oil. It's a nourishing oil that mimics skin sebum, aiding to regulate moisture and oil production in skin for a more hydrated and supple complexion. Squalene mitigates the loss of moisture and appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Baby. Yeah, one more thing. This black truffle extract, okay? Black truffle extract is obtained from the black winter truffle, which is an anti-aging, antioxidant powerhouse ingredient because of its ability to protect against free radical damage. This is one of like 5 key things that they have on the back here. When I say you need to get this, you need to add this to your skincare routine. You can get it at Sephora. Then I'm gonna tone my skin, right? So once my skin dries down, I'm gonna go ahead and get a cotton pad. You can also just like put it in your hand and tone. This is almost done, and I already have a backup of it. That's how much I love this stuff. Now this is a acid. It is a little bit acidic. It's an AHA toner. So this is the one thing that I'm saying I would not use every single day. It does say daily AHA tonic, but truthfully it irritates me when I use it too often. I don't use this more than 3 times for the week. I have other toners that you'll see in my other skincare, my other skincare daily routines. But for this one, I absolutely love it for when I'm gonna be wearing makeup, or even days where I want to skip makeup, but I just want my skin to just look so glowy, because it really does add such a beautiful glow without leaving any residue at all. I don't know how this works like that, but when you put just this alone on after cleansing your face and a little lip gloss, y'all, you can touch your skin and it feels hydrated, it feels and looks glowy, but it doesn't feel like there's anything on your skin. And you can like look at your fingers, there's nothing coming off. It's just amazing. I love it. So this is a Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. I do also get this from Sephora. Then I'm gonna go in with my eye cream, Glow On Fifth Beauty Bye Bye Puffy Eyes Cooling Eye Balm. This one I don't use too often, but on makeup days I definitely do, because I'm gonna be on camera and I want to make sure that, you know, my skin is as plump and healthy looking as possible. I mean, you don't want to put everybody wants to put their best foot forward, and like I said, people on the internet is mean, y'all, and I want to make sure I look right. So I do this for today. After that, we're gonna go in with this Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. I'm not gonna go on too much about this because Farsali no longer exists, but just know I got this bottle. I'm gonna use it until I'm donezo because I do love it. I'm not gonna lie, I do love this. And for such a small bottle, I've had this for a while, like a long time. And the sun's coming in and out if the light does change, because this sun just came out of nowhere. It's just super gloomy day, and then there it goes again. It's like dark again. Anyways, yeah, this one I'm gonna use it because it has hyaluronic acid in it, which helps to plump your skin. Again, I don't want any of my like plumping stuff. Is gonna help smooth your skin. Okay, think of like a balloon. If a balloon is deflated, that's when you see all those wrinkles, all those lines and things. When you blow it up, and in Skin Reference, when it's hydrated, it looks fuller, plumper, looks healthy, it's smooth. So that's why I like using things that are like plumping or hydrating and stuff like that, especially when I'm gonna go on top of it with something else like makeup. So that's why I'm using this today. I almost dropped this and it's glass. Yikes. Using everything in the order that I am, because by doing that it allows the previous thing that I used to absorb into my skin completely before I move on to the next. Now while that's on my skin, I will go in with my gua sha, and I'm just kind of like do like this and just, you know, help lift my face and help to remove any, it's just good for like lymphatic drainage and stuff like that, so that your face doesn't look, it's like puffy. Like I want to look plump and hydrated, but I don't want to look puffy. There's a difference. So that's what I'm gonna use, and then by the time I'm done doing that, everything would have done dried down, and then I can just moisturize. And I'm also gonna go in with the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. Love this stuff. It smells so good, y'all. So good. And it's again, it absorbs into the skin. So even though I literally have like 7 things right here, my skin's gonna feel like nothing when I'm done. Like lightweight, very lightweight. I wish you could just like reach in and just like touch it. I'd be like, yo, touch it. But yeah, and then the only other thing that I don't got out is I'm also going to include some lip mask or lip balm, lip oil, just anything at all right here. I'm not gonna go into that because honestly it's whichever one I have at the moment. This is the product that I kind of switch out a lot, are my lip stuff. But yeah, so that's it for today's daily routine. If you want to stop here, that's completely fine. Hopefully you got some takeaway notes, and if you actually want to get into the relaxing part, then just keep on watching.